Neil, for clients with high net worth coming in, how do
Yep.
you address those clients? What are some unique tax challenges or strategies you use?
Yeah, it depends on the character of their high income. So we've had some clients who just work in the tech field, they just make a ton of money on their W-2, like four, five, $600,000. And the thing about a W-2 is that it is an external factor that we can't change. So we are somewhat limited in those cases. Unlike a business where you have a lot more flexibility as far as how you treat things and the options that you have. So the first thing is that it depends on that. What's the character of their income? Is it a huge capital gain? Is it W-2? Is it business income? Is it this? Is it that? So from there, then we make our analysis as far as what strategies will apply. And again, it's hard to give a general answer to this because it just depends. But we look at things like business structure opportunities, we look at tax credits, we look at charitable strategies. So there's many different flavors of opportunities that are available depending on the character of the income. And that's just a matter of going through that process. Like I said, we do the survey, figure out where you are, and then from there we can do our route and figure out what applies to you. What destination can we reach based on your particular facts and circumstances? And that's the short version. We don't have time to get into the longer versions of that, but that's the basic idea. All right, I think that's going to be the last question for today because we only have a couple minutes left. So, final slide as far as next steps. I need to revise this slide actually. The cash flow neutral strategies I talked about, you can actually get those from us, taxsherpa.com/templates. Just go there. You can download those. They're $7, which is definitely 1,000 times cheaper than they should be. but what you get there is our master tax planning worksheets. These are the same worksheets that we use internally, and the business Basecamp tax guide, as well as the tax filing checklist, how to avoid IRS red flags. That's just a checklist of things to make sure that you're not doing that will automatically cause you to get one of those letters, because you definitely don't want to do that. So the thing that's changing with that is that I'm in the process of building a DIY course on how to do your own tax planning. And this is critical for people who are new in business and or people who are making basically less than 100K. Because here's the sad reality of it, is that for the people who are under 100K, as far as annual earnings, there's the work that we do takes too much time and too much effort to make that make sense for you in most cases. Sometimes we can still make it work, but by and large, it's just the labor that goes into all of this it's a lot. Taxes are complicated, and having all the moving pieces go through is just a lot of work. So with the course is for those people who are either new in business or who are underneath that threshold, and so they can DIY this whole thing. And these are the basic strategies that work with every business, and then basically it gets you to either a tax-free status or a nearly tax-free status or a greatly reduced tax status for your business. And then once you're able to reinvest that time and that money into your own business, because now you're working for yourself rather than working for the government, then you can grow your business to the point where you are making that 100K and we can come in and make a huge difference for you. So that is still in the works. We should have that done hopefully in the next month, fingers crossed. But for now, you can get the base level of all that stuff from the templates. Templates are the core of the whole thing, but the course is going to be more in depth and go over the wider context of how this all works together. But you can go ahead and do that. And then otherwise, we'll do this each week. The last couple weeks, I've been out just because of illness and things. But Tuesdays at 6 p.m. is our standard time. And I've already set up the event for next week. So I just have to change the link on the live so that it redirects there. But yeah, we'll do this all over again. And with that, I think we'll wrap it up. Any final words, Serena? Oh, you're muted. I think you just said no.
I'm sorry, but come see us at Tax Sharpa.
Come see us at Tax Show. Yeah, absolutely. And like I said before, our whole goal is to get that time back for yourself. And I want you to be working for you rather than for the government. That's just how I feel about it. All right. We'll stop it there. Catch you guys later and see you next week.
Have a good day.